Exercise 9. Assesses is supplier of electricity at notified tariff rate full stop. The sale price included advance against depreciation which is shown by assessees as sales in its profit and loss account full stop. While computing the book profit, assessees deducted the aid component from total sale price and took only balance amount into the profit and loss account full stop. According to the authority for advance ruling, reduction of aid from the sales was reserves which had to be added back on the basis of clause of explanation to section 115 of the Income Tax Act 1961 full stop. Para. On reading, it is clear that to make an addition under clause B, the two conditions which must be jointly satisfied are that there must be a debt of the amount to the profit and loss account and the amount so debited must be carried to the reserve full stop. Since the amount of advance against depreciation is reduced from sales, there is no debit in the profit and loss account full stop. The amount did not enter the stream of income for the purposes of determination of net profit at all. Hence, clause of explanation 1 was not applicable full stop. There are broadly two types of reverse reserves: those that are routed through profit and loss account, for example capital reserve such as share premium account full stop. Advance against depreciation is not a reserve full stop. It is not appropriation of profits full stop. It is an amount that is under obligation right from the inception to get adjusted in the future, hence cannot be designated as a reserve full stop. It is nothing but an adjustment by reducing the normal depreciation includable in the future years in such a manner that at the end of useful life of the plant the same would be reduced to nil full stop. Keeping in view the facts, the total profit and loss account will be different from the above full stop. In fact, schedule 10A to the balance sheet for the financial year 2004-5 onwards indicating recouping advance against depreciation income received in advance full stop. It is a time difference and represents adjustment in future which is in bullet in the mechanism notified by the income tax department full stop.